Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. And now we have to tap on show your data on this very first section, and as you can see right here, right in the middle, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and you can see that I've been using it for above 1.5 hours. And here you can check how much time I've spent on particular apps. What's more, we've got the unlocks and notifications count. So in order to check actually some further details, we've got two different ways to do that. So we can tap directly on the whole graph right in the middle, and you will be able to check the info about the whole screen, or we can tap on particular app and check some further details about it. So let's begin with tapping right inside the graph, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the dashboard, which will show us for how long we've been using this device every day or each day in a week. So you can basically tap on particular day, and under it you will have some apps listed which you've been using. Of course, you can change the screen time to the notifications received or times opened. So this is the first way to check some more info. And the second way is, as I said, tap on the particular app. So let me pick settings, and as you can see, the dashboard will be displayed only for this particular app. You can change again the screen time to the notifications and times opened, and daily to hourly. Let's get back. Under it, you've got the ways to disconnect. So you've got the dashboard, bedtime mode, and focus mode, which are quite cool options, because if you really need the time for yourself, you need to work, or you just want to rest without any disturbance, then you can set, for example, the focus mode. You will be able to select distracting apps, so you can check from which apps you're receiving most notifications. Then you will be able to mark them and set a schedule, so your device will turn them off, actually the notifications from them, in particular time. So it is really a really cool option if you really need to rest. Here you've got also the section to reduce interruptions. So you've got manage notifications and do not disturb mode, which are regularly on the options of this device. And you've got also heads off, and you can show icon in the app list, or you can enter parental controls if you want to. So actually, this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.